This 2026 Jayco North.381 CKRE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco North.381 CKRE is 15,592 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.